Hi there, my name is Christina Kupferschmidt and I'm a PhD student working with Dr. Graham Taylor at the University of Guelph and the Vector Institute for Artificial Intelligence. The work that I'm presenting today is titled Mind the Gap. To give a brief background, access to mental health care in Canada was limited before the emergence of COVID-19. Research suggests that 1/3 of individuals felt that their mental health needs were not currently being met. Additionally, 34% of individuals' first mental health service contact was through the emergency department. During the pandemic, machine learning forecasting has allowed for proactive resource allocation. However, despite its demonstrated success there, limited forecasting work exists in mental health. Furthermore, in order to responsibly develop these types of models, it is necessary to understand the domain-specific challenges that exist. The objective of our work was to highlight these challenges and justify a human-centered solution. We identified 4 major challenge areas that exist within the context of ML predictive modeling for mental health. The first, data quality and access, refers to the limited availability of high-quality data and challenges associated with data collection. Next, we have the more qualitative nature of the mental health diagnostic workflow. We also discuss fairness and ethical concerns, including concepts such as diverse representation in data sets, as well as data collection considerations. And finally, we discussed the lack of end-user trust in AI decision-making tools. We hypothesize that this may be due to the large translation gap that exists between theoretical research and clinical practice. To address this translation gap, we suggest that machine learning practitioners consider applying human-centered AI. Human-centered AI is a user-centered design approach to developing AI algorithms that depends on interdisciplinary collaboration with domain experts. Some of the major benefits include that by engaging with domain experts, ML practitioners can build user trust and help to ensure the solution aligns well with user expectations. This engagement also helps to understand the real-world context of how the system will be integrated. Human-centered AI often advocates for a mixed method approach, which can help to fill gaps where data is missing, address contextual fairness issues, and build on techniques that are commonly used in other fields. Finally, it also promotes the use of explainable models that can help to address interpretability challenges and highlights the necessity to understand risks of incorrect predictions. In conclusion, we believe that machine learning forecasting can improve mental health resource planning. However, to responsibly do so, machine learning practitioners should consider applying human-centered AI techniques. Applying these techniques can allow us to better understand specific requirements, tailor model design, and mitigate barriers to downstream translation. If you have any follow-up questions, please feel free to come by our poster or email me directly. Thank you for your time.